I have OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down and choose here language and the region. Then let's tap language from the top of the screen right here. And as you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use on your device. So in my case, let me just switch my language from English to Spanish. So let's find here and select the Spanish, the Español from España, for example. Let's tap done, tap change to Spanish, and as you can see right now, the whole list of settings, but also the apps, are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's choose here ajustes, then let's scroll down and choose here the idioma y región. Then let's tap idioma right here, and from the following list let's choose English, for instance from United States. That's it. Let's choose listo and tap cambiar a inglés, and basically that's it. Now you can use your device in your English version. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.